Common maintenance challenges in food manufacturing. Food manufacturing faces a number of challenges that most other industries don't have to deal with, at least to the same extent. These challenges include the following. Strict regulations to follow. Like other industries, food manufacturers have to comply with standards such as those set forth by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration and the Environmental Protection Agency. However, they also have a number of other regulations to keep up with, including standards from the Food and Drug Administration and the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Inspections can happen at any time, so the facility needs to always be kept in strict compliance. In addition, these standards can change from time to time, with the level of scrutiny and strictness generally increasing as time progresses. Complex equipment. Aside from the challenges of keeping equipment clean, they also need to be working at all times. The machines used in continuous food manufacturing processes are often highly complex, and there is very often a need for specialized training to diagnose problems for each individual piece of equipment. For instance, one machine may have programmable internal logic, while another might be hardwired. When something goes wrong, knowing which type of logic a machine uses is just as important as being familiar with its moving parts, but that's only useful if a technician has had dedicated training with that specific piece of equipment. Given how many machines are used in these production lines, that can result in fairly high personnel costs. Alternatively, condition monitoring and predictive maintenance can reduce those expenses, but those have their own upfront costs as well. Continuous processes. The difficulty of maintaining food production equipment is only compounded by the fact that it is often used as a part of a continuous process. Finding the right time to perform inspections or routine maintenance might be difficult when different tasks have their own schedules. Again, condition monitoring can help here, but the actual work of maintenance still needs to be done when machines are offline. Naturally, careful maintenance planning and strict lockout-tagout procedures are crucial. Additionally, the more machines that are added to a production line, the higher the odds of a breakdown, thus causing the whole line to halt. Perishable products. Along with the downtime caused by breakdowns, the product itself is at risk if the equipment goes offline. Some machines need to be serviced quickly in order to prevent as much losses as possible, but at times that may not be possible. As such, routine maintenance often needs to be planned for times when the equipment is not running, so that foodstuffs are not left to spoil. Additionally, maintenance processes should not put the product at risk for contamination. Stringent quality control. Quality control is key when it comes to food production. In addition to making sure food products are safe for consumption, quality control issues, such as making sure it has the right flavor, avoiding damage to the packaging, and so forth are all vital. Given how many machines are used in these processes, the amount of quality control needed tends to be very high. Even something as simple as adding packaging machines to the end of the production line can massively increase the number of fail-safes and controls needed in the process.